Hi everyone! Today we're making thick gooey Levain style chocolate chip cookies with a little twist. Let's get started. First, grab 90 grams of unsalted butter. Or, like I do, take a solid stick of butter and cut it into smaller cubes. Don't soften it. Keeping it cold helps the cookies stay thick and not spread too much while baking. Add 1/4 cup of raw sugar and 1/2 cup of brown sugar. Beat them together just until they start to come together and look a bit creamier, but still slightly chunky. This step coats the butter with sugar and starts building structure, giving the cookies a chewy center while keeping them thick. Next, whisk 1 large egg, then add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Gently mix the egg and vanilla into the cream butter and sugar. Take your time to fold it in carefully. This ensures the dough stays soft and the cookies bake evenly. The egg adds moisture and helps bind everything together, while the vanilla gives that warm, classic flavor. Stir just until everything comes together. In a separate bowl, whisk 1½ cups of plain flour, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Adding the leavening agents with the flour ensures even rising, while salt balances the sweetness. Fold these dry ingredients into the wet mixture gently. Don't overmix. Overworking the dough can make cookies tough instead of tender and soft. Now comes the fun part. Fold in 1 cup of chocolate chunks. I like a mix of dark and milk chocolate for the best texture and flavor. Normally, Levain style cookies include 3/4 cup of roughly chopped walnuts, which add crunch and a nutty flavor, but I'm skipping them this time. The cookies are still rich, chewy, and full of chocolatey goodness. It's time to shape our cookies. Divide the dough into 6 big portions, about 120 grams or 4 ounces each. Shape them into a thick ball or rough mounds. Rough shapes bake unevenly on top, creating that signature thick, soft center with slightly crisp edges. Chill or freeze the dough for 45 to 60 minutes. This step is very important. Cold dough spreads less in the oven, keeping your cookies thick and soft in the center. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius, or 356 degrees Fahrenheit. Place the cookies well apart on a tray, then bake for 15 to 20 minutes. You want the tops golden, but the center slightly underdone. This ensures a soft, gooey interior that's simply irresistible. Finally, let the cookies rest on the tray for 10 minutes before moving. They're fragile when hot, so this helps them set perfectly without breaking. Once the cookies have rested on the tray, transfer them to a wire rack to cool completely. This helps them set fully and keeps the bottoms from getting soggy. And there you have it, thick, chewy, chocolatey cookies, just like Levain, but with your own twist. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy them as much as I do.